Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on 1688 Chinese shopping app and Alipay app right here. There is an incredible feature right now that allows you to settle your pending order or make payment for your pending order directly from Alipay without going through your 1688 Chinese shopping app right now. This is a new update that everyone that are using 1688 Chinese shopping app and Alipay need to explore right now. Most especially if supplier offer a discounted for any product for you. This is an interesting way to make payment and enjoy your discounted on that particular product on 1688 and Alipay. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to be your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do, for the sake of people that does not really know what pending order actually means on 1688, I'm going to go ahead and open my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here, and I will show you how to see pending order and what make an order be pending. So right here, when you open up your 1688, then you go ahead and click on here to proceed to your profile. Now it's going to take you right here. For every pending order, it's going to be found right here. Okay, so if I click on here now, it's going to load up and show you the number of pending order I have in my 1688 right here. So you can see the first pending order here is a product, and the second pending order here is a 1688 membership plus, which costs about 100 yen right here. Now, what makes a product to be in pending order? It comes in two ways. One of the first way is that maybe you want to pay for a product, and then all of a sudden, before you go ahead and proceed with the payment, you find out that you have choose a wrong product, or you choose a wrong size, or you are not intended to purchase that particular product again, or you are using the wrong address to purchase and you cancel the order. So once you cancel the order moves right there under pending section right here. Another way by which you can have a pending order is a situation whereby if a supplier gives you a discount and asks you to submit order, so you use the same procedure. And once you submit the order in this category, once you submit the order of that particular product that the supplier wants to offer a discounted, what you need to do is to simply open up the order right here. Once you open up the order, copy the order number and send it to the supplier to initiate the discounted price on that particular product. Once they reduce the price on the product, you come back here, you see everything right here. Now, once everything is done right here, then you can go ahead and make payment. And in this regard now, there is a new feature in Alipay that allows you to pay for that type of product right from your Alipay without even coming to your 1688 app right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to exit from my 1688 app right here. But in this tutorial, in this particular feature, you must bind your Alipay with your 1688 before you can use this particular feature. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my Alipay right here. Then after open up my Alipay right here, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and proceed to my profile right here. Click on account. Under the account section right here, go to my transactions. Then from transaction right here, you can now see that I have waiting payments and another one waiting payment. If you take note of the 1688, you see that there are two right here on my 1688. So this is the first one, and so this is the first one, and this is the second one right here. So surprisingly, you can also find them right here in your Alipay. So this is the first one, and this is the first one, and this is the second one. So if you want to make payment directly, simply click on the link. So I'm going to click on this one right here. So click on the link. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you right here. Then you can read the detail. Then you can see waiting payment. Then scroll down and read the detail right here. For you to make a payment, click on pay now and enter your payment password, and the payment will be successful. Once the payment is successful, you can go back to your 1688 Chinese shopping app profile and start tracking the product. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship import products from China using 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, fund your Alipay account, WeChat wallet, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.